Hello friends, today let's learn to draw a cute little puppy. Let's begin by drawing two circles for the puppy's eyes. Draw two circles inside. These are the eyeballs. Now let's draw its face, an outer big circle. The eyes should be in the center of the bigger circle. Now let's draw its nose. And its mouth, its ears, next I'm using a pencil to draw the puppy's body. You need to draw the body smaller than the face. Its hands. Now I'm using the sketch pen to darken the outline. Now let's draw its tail. Next we'll draw its collar and tag. Finally, I'm going to draw its eyebrows and hair. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.